Roosevelt with AutoNetwork. I'm here in Plano, Texas, at the airport. HQ Confidential. I'm going to give you a tour of the upper level outside where they have all the different products displayed. And the first one we have here is this new colorful TRD Pro package. It's called a Wave Maker Blue. And all the TRD Pros only get the color, the Wave Maker Blue. And it's a popular color. What do you think? This is the Sequoia in TRD Pro and Wave Maker Blue. And we'll walk over to some of the other TRD models that feature that brand new color. Take a look, see what you think. But like I said, we're at the Plano campus. Beautiful facility here that Toyota built years ago. And you see, we have journalists all over the place shooting their product content. Try not to get anybody shot. Be respectful. I just thought I would keep you posted with some live footage from this event so you can see what we are experiencing here with Toyota and Plano. Good. Here you have one set up like it's off-road. But there are cars all over this campus. I'm going to take a walk through, walk around as I want to say. But you can look around. See, this is a beautiful location. Done a great job. You can see they have products scattered all over the place. It might be windy here. It's been windy ever since we arrived yesterday, and from what I understand earlier in the week, they had tornado warning. They had some extreme weather conditions here. All we have is sunshine, high winds, makes the audio a little suspect. Hope you can barely hear. These are the new TVs out on display. Had a chance to drive one earlier. Did a walk around, but I can't give you any details on the driving of this new PC. It's under embargo until March 22nd. But let's continue the tour. Down to the next level. They also have product inside. They have product inside, and I'll take a look inside a little bit. I can peek my head in the door. Look over the rail here and see what we can see. Oh, trees blocking most of the product. On display below. Yes, thank you. Appreciate it. What do you think about the campus layout so far? It's time going out to the steps. I want to miss one of these. It's a long drive. go and check out some of the other video that I shot earlier today in live streams as well as static, I guess you would call it. But let's head over to this area where I have a couple of waterfalls set up. This stream is beautiful cameras. Hopefully I won't lose you in connection. Here we have the Toyota pickup truck lineup, as you can see. And most of these vehicles are out for us to drive. Do some off-roading tomorrow. There's two different groups set up there, the black and the red. The red is driving today. The black stayed here for product presentation, special sneak peeks that we can't talk about on the shelf. And here, like I said, nice fountain set up. And as you can see, there are cars all around. Beautiful setting. I thought I would just give you a quick tour so that you can experience what I'm experiencing today here in Plano, Texas, with Toyota and Lexus. And tomorrow we'll spend more time with Lexus. Today we spend most of our time with Toyota. So let's take a walk across here. How do you like this pond setup? One on each side. All the bright colored vehicles. Piano here. And this is the Crown. One of my favorites. Love that design. Has a nice look. Not a crossover, it's not an SUV. Somewhere in between. Easy to get in and out of. Nice ride height. But I think you've gotten a good view of what we're experiencing so far today on the outside. This interior shot earlier. So I'm going to end my broadcast. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll continue probably tomorrow morning, maybe tonight during auto reception. But this is where we got with AutoNetwork. This is where we started AutoX. Thanks for enjoy. See you next time.